How to log in into Delta Airlines employee account. So let's get started. First of all, in your laptop or desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer, and on the search URL you have to type in Delta Airlines employee login, then simply press enter on your keyboard. Now once you land on the search result there, head over to the first link that says sign in. Click on that and that will directly take you to the sign in portal. So first of all, you have to enter your Delta login or PPR. So make sure you enter your correct login credentials, and under that enter your password associated with your account. Once you type in your Delta login or PPR and under that your password, or if you have any trouble signing in case you forgot your account login credentials, then there you will find a link that says Trouble Sign In. Click on that and that will help you out to recover your account. Now once you're done typing in your information or login credentials, click on the sign in button, and after that you will be logged into your Delta Airlines employee account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.